You're going to love the 2010 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 90,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.